Hi, this is JC.
Hi, this is Farihan.
Hello, and we're back with another episode of
ILQ Test Drive.
So JC, do you know what we're doing today?
Something smells like Indian food. So.
Smells like carpet.
Today we're trying Indian snacks.
Ooh.
Never tried any Indian snack.
No, I've never tried any Indian snack. Ooh. Oh! This actually looks familiar.
They look like cookies.
This looks like a typical biscuits in cans.
They look like those cookies that come in the little metal boxes.
Is it salty?
Seems salty. If I look in the back, it looks like a cracker.
This is like a regular biscuit.
They don't taste like cookies. They're like crackers with sugar.
It's kind of dry.
Smells sesame. This texture is like very sandy.
Like I would eat a lot of this and not even notice that I've eaten a lot of it.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, it's so heavy.
Just little hearts.
Diwali falal.
Shankarpali. Shankarpali.
I think I've had this before.
That's rice and noodle.
This looks like crispies.
That looks like little bits of pasta.
And this one looks like lentil.
Dried corn.
It's just like corn.
What's this flavor? I've never tried.
These are very familiar. They're a little bit spicy.
Oh, the cake.
Crispy, very light.
This one is a little spicier. This is basically a little salty.
Most Indian snacks have weird names.
Fried beans? Mung beans. Fried mung beans. Fried mung beans. Fried mung beans. Mung dal. I guess that means mung beans. Mung pulse. So these are not mung beans, but mung pulse. Mung beans. Mung dal. Mung dal with salt.
Well, it's mangdal, you know.
Bujia.
Bujia.
Bujia?
Bujia?
That's for you. Sugar.
This something looks like what we have in the Philippines.
We have the really same thing in Korea.
It's called panucha. Oh.
Ah.
The crunch is kind of satisfying in a way.
The flavor kicks in nicely as you're chewing it.
It's pretty good though. So it's not a real flavor of the sour mango.
It's processed.
The typical mango juice that you would drink.
Fruity.
Fruity.
Fruity. Indian mango is always usually my favorite.
Sweet cheeky. Oh, okay.
This is like something that like grandmas would eat in the house as a snack, you know, like they watch like K-dramas and they'd be like, oh no.
They're really good.
I thought I just saw a cigarette.
Same.
This looks like a cigarette.
What is
It's
this?
like chalk you draw.
Yeah, it's kind of like the thing you have when you're a child and you pretend like it's a cigarette.
Is this supposed to be kids' cigarette?
Yeah, I think a lot of us have had these when we were kids.
Why did Indian people make such a thing for kids?
Oh, it tastes minty.
Maybe smaller than a hint amount.
Hint of mint.
This is supposed to be cigarette for kids.
Yeah.
I don't think it's a nice educational thing at all.
I think I know what these are.
2 balls?
These are tamarind balls.
They look like super tiny coconuts.
It's actually weird. They're served in 2 pieces.
I don't know how to describe this.
It's like raisin.
This is surprisingly sweet.
I think they're raisins.
It's not something you usually feel in your mouth.
Tastes like raisins. I like it.
Oh, it's tamarind. I don't like this.
Sweet cigarettes. Oh, okay.
Oh yeah.
Phantom sweet cigarettes.
This is so my childhood though.
Oh, there's a card inside. It'll be a golden ticket to the cigarette factory.
Yeah, I think
Very badass.
Imli.
Sweet
Imli.
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 What do you think about the Indian snack?
very interesting. I mean, I've never tried Indian snacks.
There's a good mix of flavors.
Which one was your favorite?
At the beginning, the heart-shaped cookies.
It is one.
My favorite was that little pasta thing.
What is it called? The mung dal?
That I'll probably finish a bucket if I have it next to me.
So that's it for today's episode.
So if you like this episode,
Don't forget to like
share
and subscribe.
and hit the bell here.
If you want us to try any other snacks, don't forget to leave comments down below.
Ta-ta! Let's go play yoga now. We ate enough snacks. What's Indian dance? This?
Like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell button. I forgot. I always forget the bell button.
Are you okay?
Yeah, this is my first time trying mango juice.